Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a Philly cheesesteak my way. I have truffle, parmesan, garlic on the bread. This is what I'm going to be using right here. Guys, need to get you some of this. Alright, so let me show you the other ingredients I got. I got some thyme right here, some black pepper, some Kinder caramelized onion, some W sauce, Worcestershire sauce, some Parmesan and Romano cheese, granulated. I have some 2 cups of mozzarella and provolone mixed cheese. And here's the Philly cheesesteak. You can buy this at Walmart. Great value. Alright, you get 4 of those in a pack. I just showing you that because I already had mine out. And here they is right here. You get 4 of those in a pack. Alright? And then you're going to also need some bread, of course. And some bell peppers. If you want onions, you can use onions on yours, but I'm not going to use any onions with mine. Alright, I have 6 portobello mushrooms been sliced up. And I have like 7 of these red bell peppers, the little mini ones, and 1.5 bell pepper, green bell pepper, and I have like 3 cloves of garlic right here. All right, guys. So let me go ahead and finish chopping this up, and then I'll show you how to put this stuff together. All right. See you guys in a minute. All I was doing was just slicing them down like this. That's all I was doing. I'm just doing this so you guys know what I was doing. That's all I was doing. You slice them thin if you want to, or whatever the case may be. You can leave them long if you want to. I like to do mine like this. Alright? Here's the little red ones. That's all I was doing, guys. Nothing to it. Some people just like to see you do it, which it's not a problem. Here's my garlic. I'm just going to, you can break them down if you want to. That's all I was doing, guys. And I'm going to chop these up. Alright guys, go ahead and complete this up and show you guys what we'll be doing next. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Alright fam, I'm at the skillet. Now I do have a grill, but there's a lot of vegetables and I don't want to just put them all on that because it'll be going everywhere. And I did want to add that these sirloin steaks are seasoned. So if you don't want to put no seasoning on it, you don't really have to. Sprinkle a little salt on there, just a little bit, just like that. Black pepper. Just a little bit. Thyme. A little bit of that on there. And caramelized onion. I'm cooking this on medium. And this ready to get a flip already, see? So that one may not be. Okay, guys. And what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to take my garlic and put that in there with that. I'm going to go ahead and put that in here like so. Start breaking this up. this to the side. Come in here with my veggies. Yeah. Start working this in here. Bring this over here. You put this on top if you want, so you won't burn it. And it will break down, guys. So when it starts breaking down a little bit, I'll be back and show you put that mushrooms in there. See you guys in a minute. Alright fam, I'm back. We're gonna go ahead and put some of this W sauce in here. That'll help break it down and add flavor for our mushrooms in there. Alright. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, this broke down pretty good. We're gonna start adding our cheese in here. As much as you want. I like a cheesy Philly cheesesteak. I'm just gonna spray that about on here. Alright. And we're just gonna take this off and let this sit while we work on our bread. Alright? See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. I'm just gonna take some of this spray butter right here by Crisco and spray it on my bread. Just like so. Sit those on there and let those brown up. Don't forget we gotta melt that other butter too for the truffle, Parmesan truffle garlic bread. Might have to wait probably on this one because this one won't look like it won't fit. Alright guys, when that brown up, I'll show you what we'll be doing next. I gotta melt this butter first. This is the butter right here I gotta melt down. I got some parsley in there and that what's that, the truffle garlic black pepper. Alright, I gotta melt that down and we're gonna put it on there. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I melted my butter down. Just gonna put some of that on here. Alright, take some of this Parmesan. Put a little bit on there. And we're good. Alright, next time you see me, I'll be have these sandwiches made up and show you the presentation. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm finally done with this best Philly cheesesteak with Parmesan and truffle black pepper right here. Boom. Gotta get some of that. Alright? Alright guys, let me go ahead and show you this up close. No doubt about it. You guys go ahead and make you some of these. They're good. VELDOGG approved. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give me a like and a share. And please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that bell, just like so. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. Much love. Happy cooking.